Hello guys, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about a quick and easy tutorial, and the tutorial is how to speed up a video on Canva. So first of all, you can see we are already in a canva.com and we are already open a layout. So we need a video here, so I will go on the element option. I will search over here a tiger video, so that's okay. Now go ahead and you will find out further more option in here videos. So I will click on see all option. Once I click over here, I will find out a video that will be good for me. So this video looks might good and this is premium, so I will leave it. I am looking for a free video, that's why I will choose this one, and it may be good for me. So I will upload this in here layout, then I will click on download by clicking on share. Once I click over here, it will open a pop-up, and click over here and just choose mp4 video from that place and click download. Once you click download, it will take a while, and in this between I will talk about furthermore that the processing, like we need to be visit in this option like change video speed online video cutter. Once you hit the enter button, then you will find out this kind of option here, and the best one is this first one. Just click over here. Once you click over here, they will give you this interface, and the website logo is 123 apps, and I will provide this link in the description. You can check it from that place. So once you complete this, you need to be wait for the download your video. It will take a while, like you can see. Then I will upload my video in here. After completing the download, you need to be upload in this place. Just click over here in open file, and it will be redirect you to the computer. Just download this one in here, and here you can see the speed option. You can change your speed as you want. Okay, so you need to be click on speed. Once you click over here, you can increase the speed size. Like I want to speed as much as possible, like 4x. Then I will click on save, and it will take a time to encoding again, like you can see. Then you have the option to download this video from that place. Just click on save. Once you click in the save, it will be again for the download process. So it will take 743 to this kind of a time, and the download has been completed. So again I will come to the Canva, and I will again paste it in here the edited version, and now we can check this out by clicking a new tab. So you can see that our speed has been increases so much than compared to previous one. So I hope you love this video. Let me give you the example one, then you will understand. Look, the speed has been become so much fast than compared to this first one, and I hope you find out the result as you want. So you can preview these changes here, and I hope this video will help you. Even if this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.